Hello guys, welcome to a new video. In this video I'm going to speak about how we can add password to the Word document. So if you have something which you want to save it and which you don't want to edit it, you have to go to the files. After going to the files, you have to go to the info. Here you get the option to protect your document. So in case you don't want any other people who is using the same computer to make any changes, you have to click here on the protect document, and there you can see there are so many other options. So you can click on always open read only, so it will open the file in the read only on. And once you click on the encrypt on password, it will ask you for the password to set. You can set any password, and now it's set with the password, so you can save it. And now we'll try to open it again, and it will ask for a password. So this is how you save a file with the password.